Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. GALA is currently coming down here in this blue wave count. You know what? I will change this now to white because I think blue was before just because we had a couple of counts on the chart. But this is, you can see that, better. Obviously here on this chart, we have basically a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3. Now this could already be wave 4 and we might be in wave 5, which would be quite bearish because then we have 5 waves down after an ABC structure to the upside. And then we could rally in actually in a wave 2, which could be quite high. And then we could come down and make new lows afterwards. Or we actually only have 3 waves down. 1, 2, 3. And then we are now forming a wave 4 in an A, B, C flat structure and then come down. Either way, resistance is between 5.4 cents and 7.9 cents as communicated to you before. And if we zoom in a little bit, you can see that so far there is absolutely no sign of bullishness. There is no sign that GALA has bottomed at all. And in fact, in the last video, I explained to you that we're still watching and waiting basically for lower prices, especially as long as the price is not breaking above resistance here at 1.67 cents. Only a break above that level would make us consider to change our view. At the moment, however, the downside scenario is still continuing. And it's, further downside is basically expected. It made a new low, okay, so that scenario is already fulfilled, but it didn't really make a significant new low, okay? However, if it keeps dropping, it should get to 1.299 cents next, and then 1.18. They are absolutely the next target levels. So it would take a break below Fibonacci support and structural support here at 1.34 cents. If the price breaks below that level, it would increase, if the price breaks below that level, it should send us down to 1.29 cents next. Yeah, and then 1.18 cents. These are the next levels. These are the next targets to watch, really. And again, until we get above resistance, which I don't really need to adjust now, the focus continues to be on the downside. It's just too weak. Doesn't show any motivation to turn around. Obviously, there are fundamental issues that we talked about. It's still in the price channel. It's basically in the middle of it. Yeah, it takes quite a bit to give us a signal that actually this C wave is running. So as soon as I see the first 5 wave move up, it could be the C wave because the chart is significantly oversold. Now, that's not necessarily bullish in a very, very long downtrend. Not, a chart that lost all major support levels. I mean, all we've got left here, these are Fibonacci support levels, that we calculated based on the movements and the waves to the downside here. But yeah, no change basically. So the forecast is just sort of still focusing on further downside. Resistance is quite clear. Next targets are clear as well. And yeah, just be careful on the long side. However, we know that GALA can surprise. And when the altcoins really turn around, it can happen very quickly. But we still need some kind of a signal. I mean, all the downside expectations are fulfilled. But we know that things can extend easily, and especially coin that basically has lost all relevant support, and the coin where we know there are some fundamental issues. I mean, it can just keep dropping, right? But I'm very much watching also for reverses because I know that GALA has surprised in the past, but they never had these fundamental issues. So yeah, there is something that hints at an underlying problem. You can see that actually in the chart, and then when we know about these issues that there are in the with surrounding GALA basically, it's tough, it's difficult, and also the metaverse. I mean, is this narrative gone? I think it will come back at some point, but we had all these narratives that are going through the crypto world, and not sure what the next one is. Maybe even cannabis. I don't know. We have the cannabis stocks, which were quite interesting in the last few weeks. So maybe there are some cannabis cryptos. I'm not sure. Very dubious. Anyway, that's my update about GALA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.